Of course, when you enter something, when you enter a program, right? You choose a program, you have your own expectations, right? So I would like to know everybody's expectation of this program. Okay.
Yeah, I want to express myself and my idea in English. So
I would like to learn how to express our views with some unknown people.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Mm-hmm.
I'm like to traveling and learning about other countries' culture. So through this problem, I like to learn about what's going on in India and just improve my English too.
Actually, I just want to learn many things from this because this is the first time I'm doing an international internship, so that I will get a very good interaction with Japan, Taiwan, and other students, those who are participating. Then I would be learning some real world experiences and many more things up to come. Thank you for giving an opportunity.
I won't be able to speak English without hesitation, and I want to make many foreign friends.
I ever went. Okay, I ever went to Tokyo, Japan, and I live in international dormitory, and that is very good chance for talking with the foreigner, such as Poland, Holland, or Germany people. And for after COVID-19, my chance for talking with the foreigner is closed, and I should go back to Thailand. And this one is a good chance for talking again by using English, and this one is a good chance for exchange my idea and exchange interaction with another people. Okay, something like that. Thank you.
Hi, I would like to improve my communication and make new friends and yeah, interact a lot. That's it.
Okay, my expectation is we as Indians, we believe in unity in diversity. So I would like to experience this diversity with people of different countries so that we could share our ideas. I could learn few things from others and I could share my ideas with others. Yeah, it's a mutual thing. Yeah, that's it.
Harami Orabe, our bilingual assistant.
Hi everyone, I'm Harumi, and actually I'm not an English teacher, so I'm just a kind of mother of dormitory. So please feel free. So just to relax in front of me. So I want to make friends, younger friends. So please be my friend.
Yes. Okay. So if you need a friend, Harumi is there. Miss Harumi is there.
Hi. All right. So, hi guys. Welcome to Study Interact. Now, this is a multicultural interaction. We have from Thailand, Japan, we have India, and of course, we are Filipinos. So, this is really a good outlet for you students to improve your skills with dealing with people from different culture through communication using the English language. But as you know, this is not just about improving your English skills, but this is about improving your skill on dealing with the real world. So as a facilitator, I and together with the other teachers, we are very willing to assist you and help you become comfortable in using the English language while you are talking to people of different nationalities. So once again, welcome to Study Interact.
Hi everyone. Just like what my fellow facilitator said earlier, this is a good venue for everybody of all of you are going to be able to interact in our program. We will be having like smaller groups, so everybody will definitely be talking. We are here to make sure that all of you will have a chance to express yourself. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm so excited for all of you to have this kind of opportunity. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Trisha from the Philippines, and I am an English teacher. And I always tell my students that I feel so lucky and fortunate to be given a job that would allow me to explore different cultures and meet different people. And as I am listening to you sharing your expectations a while ago, I think that is what you aim also. That's why you joined us today, right? You want to have friendships, you want to have connections, you want to be able to travel, and you have connections in the countries that you will visit. So I hope, as I am very much honored to be given this opportunity to bridge you beyond your borders, I hope I could also impart the same skills, and that you could also widen your horizons and appreciate and meet each other's cultures, and of course communicate comfortably and confidently. Thank you.
All right. Dr. Gita, do you have anything to say? What can we meet the students' expectations?
With Hostani sir, Kawasai sir from last June, we are working rigorously on this. Actually, Hostani sir has worked more on it along with Kawasai sir. I want our children to be more expressive, explore new things, and to make friends from unknown places. Yes, nowadays we get a lot of stuff if we Google, but we do not get to know and be in touch with humans. So the highlight here is to be more interactive. I want our students to be more interactive and explore new things along with unknown people from unknown places. That's it.
Okay, all right. So that is really true. Professor, Dr. Jayanta, anything to add, sir?
Yeah, fine. As of now, things are going very nice. And I'm looking at the energy of our students participating in this interaction. Of course, we had 1 or 2 trial runs in the beginning. There was a bit of hesitation in both the countries from India and Japanese students. Now I am seeing they're opening up, maybe because of a facilitator in between. They are put in a comfort zone. So now what we want is this tradition should continue, and the meaningful interaction should happen between the countries through the students. And this is a platform for all our students from all the 4 countries what we have. Definitely they will explore this opportunity and enhance their skill set, and they will be competent enough to come out with the new innovations that are happening all around the world. And that's what we want. Ultimately, we want students to be enriched with present technology, and Study Interact is doing a good initiative in this. We are all joining hands, and hopefully our students will take active part in it, and they involve themselves. I think it's all going in a very nice way. It's a very nice. Thank you.